Faisakul cert looker B, Wadi Sturolf and Worms of Wishrin Milam Zidman Letterkit, Liger Lolish Technology, Wumpman Bobi, Elhedsu, Tisel Metal, 3 Toy Dem, Dan Lamental, Wamdakita, Twill, Wignology, Matigid, Mental Look at Latif, Wotif, Labram J, Berlin Turn, Wish it, Nams Kabir, Shul Luthcum Beckle She, Kentibit and Serb TM, Bain Led Technology, and Tisel Moodle, 3 Zilmips and Queen Faisakul cert looker B, and Kolan, Woody, Drunjidi, Lamov, and Rooms Wishrin, Serb Sin Kirby, Layla Jim, and Revis, Woody Lemis with Tenatal cert looker B. Let's Memlanik would Lizni Yolni Tranjadi Maps and Queen 5 people cert looker B Wolfker. Mood Declea Vicar, would Jays Daniel Dave, would Jeremy Yed and Marie, would he Tranjite come Ibden Jicklin Worthy, Fisher Kirby, Mason Raylam off and Worms which ran Fisher the Verbe Kirby and make a wolf of Tidham King right, Lord Ben Pickett and Sarah Kirby, Stake will be a wolves immense. Raymondly will Yota determine fatal pull liquor, Don Lindsay and Lumsy Lumps Rail of Clear was Lums based dated metal Lums Clear. What can you pro pilot systems that will seek? Dating and beat and serve Kirby, Yeliti and Wayne and Lungs, what and all G Lum Chicken, and Nason Ray Helica Lumful, and so Lan Low Rafen are one Telum Open with himself Shrin. Rafen Tiki Dim Lobicker Phylum Lushan Low Kirby, who did our one Tate gear into Drain Lushklam Martle Turklor. Game Lushan Ben King, Little Kirby will also be Lumtobi, El Turk Lord, Menzum to Lake Wai, McGilbert Kabir and Lord. The Kentman Mint be them King Mark with Lushan Kirby equivalent with all, and Riffin are one Tate to wait him up, Jared Friday Fight Circle Circle Kirby. And Jikor Abbey's the Muffin Williams of Wishrin, by Sir the Verbe Kirby, Gertin, and Ben Lily went with Pet Look Nit one Kid at the Oracle 12.
Nick when my make it beside Miss Tanya met me to for Larry Worthy fecal roll. ABC, look here, left the electrical cert.
Electric vehicles are no longer just a trend, they're the future of transportation. As we approach 2025, the automotive industry is experiencing a revolution. Electric cars are becoming faster, smarter, more affordable, and more sustainable than ever before. Today, we'll explore the most innovative electric cars of 2025. The Tesla Cybertruck continues to break the mold when it comes to electric vehicles. With up to 800 horsepower and 0-60 in just 2.9 seconds, this isn't just a pickup truck, it's a futuristic, all-electric beast with over 500 miles